Hey, what's up, guys? Here's a quick video on a Coates rim clamp 7050AX. I was having issues with not having enough power to spin this table on the tire machine. I was thinking that maybe that this gasket or O-rings in here was leaking or whatever, but it ended up being the pedals leaking. There's little O-rings in the little valves. There's valves in the pedal right here. There's one right here. This is for the actual clamp to clamp onto the wheel. This one right here is the bead breaker, and this is the 4-way valve for the table. Mine was actually leaking pretty bad. I'll show you. Don't mind my shop. I'm redoing everything. It's a mess. But this is the valve right here. Here's the housing. And this goes inside here, bolts in. And this rod is what attaches to the pedal. But if you look, you can see all the cracks on the plastic sleeve. All the new ones they have. You can get new ones with plastic, but there's other ones that are brass. Replaces that, and then there's like 6 O-rings inside of here. Mine was all gummed up and everything with like oil. The O-rings just like disintegrated. Sorry for all my rusty ass tools. See, these O-rings just fall apart. They're like sticky. But yeah, that's how you fix your tire machine. You just get new valves. It's pretty easy to replace. There's just a little snap ring or pin that clips on right there. The rod comes out. Just a couple Allens. So yeah, if anybody's having issues with their tire machine, all my valves are pretty much leaking. I have to replace all of them. I might just rebuild it, but I think for the $100 for each one, I'm just going to replace them so I know they're all brand new. And then my little robo arm, this valve right here, the O-rings in it are leaking. And I think my actual cylinders, the O-rings are leaking in it too, but I'm going to replace this first. I'll post a link on where I got mine. I'm actually going to try a little Amazon $12 valve for this to see if it'll work temporarily. Might rebuild that one too. I don't know. We'll see. But if you guys have any other questions on it or you want to see any other videos on this, let me know. Take it easy. Please subscribe. Click on the bell for all my other videos that I upload. And take it easy.